Hi. Oh, so sorry for the mix up earlier. So sorry. It was a conference. Oops. Oops. Now, so streaming live. This is gonna be this has been a more like a requested topic. I was in a conference earlier. For those of you that are joining, thank you so much for joining. I was in a conference earlier talking about skin bleaching and more like creating awareness about skin bleaching. Okay. If this is your first time joining my channel. My name is Chikelly. I'm a certified esthetician, and my channel is more like all things skincare. Okay, everything beauty, everything skincare. We talk about it here. Okay, so if you're trying to achieve glowing skin, trying to sort some skin issues out, this is the channel for you. Okay, so click that subscribe button and subscribe if you like what you're watching, and also share this live streaming. Share. It's very important that you share it so that other people will get to see it, because this topic is a requested topic. It needs to be talked about. It needs we need to create awareness on this. Okay, skin bleaching. For those of you that have watched my videos, I do a lot of product reviews, and I talk about skin bleaching. I'm more like an activist for skin bleaching. Okay, now this live streaming basically is, I will talk about what skin bleaching is. I will talk about, you know, how did it come about? Where was skin bleaching originated? How did people start bleaching their skin? What is the story behind skin bleaching? And then I will talk about side effects, okay, which is the most scary part of skin bleaching, side effects. And if you have any questions, leave your questions, and I will surely, in the comment section, I will surely answer. And then one of the things I will emphasize on is for those of you that are already bleaching your skin and wants to stop. I have a very important advice to I'll give you in this video. Okay, make sure you share it. Please share this. Share. Now, when we talk about skin bleaching is basically when you use skin bleaching, skin lightening is all the same thing. So it's more like when you use a chemical agent, you mix a cosmetic substance, or even laser, or pills, or there's a lot of them out there, to reduce the melanin production in your body. Okay, so I talk about melanin. Melanin is more like what gives you your skin color. Okay, so when you bleach your skin, you reduce this melanin production. You make the cell called melanocytes. So melanocytes is what produces melanin. So melanocyte is the cell in your body that produces melanin. Okay, so you've made this melanocyte less effective. Okay, so as a result, hi, lovely Cherokee. This is one of my very trusted followers. Thank you so much. I was in a conference before, and there were so many people talking. I just said, okay, let me end the stream and I will come back, because I was getting messages on my Facebook and my WhatsApp and my Instagram. Why did you end this stream? I was there. What is going on? So I decided to come back and talk about it. Okay. How are you doing, lovely Cherokee? Rita, Rita Metu, Scarlett Johnson, Cindy Okoro. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Now, so the result will be of, yeah, using of those cosmetics substances. The result will be skin tone and change of complexion. Now, before I go into how skin bleaching came about, okay, I want to talk about, for those of us, for those of you that are bleaching your skin, I don't really like to judge people that bleaches their skin. No, 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 no. The reason is because people bleach their skin for a reason, and some of them that are using those skin bleaching products don't actually know that the products that they are using are toxic. That is why I do some of these videos, more like to create awareness, to tell people about it. Okay, so before I want to say something about those that bleach their skin. You need to ask yourself this question: why did I start bleaching my skin? Okay, what did I see or hear that pushed me to start bleaching my skin? There has to be a reason why you started bleaching your skin. There has to be a reason, because, like I said earlier, I'm not judging anyone, but skin bleaching is more like hiding under a mask. I'll put it that way. So it's more like hiding under a mask. It's not your real self. Okay. Thank you, lovely Cherokee. Thank you so much for joining. Now, if you I don't know if I'm allowed to say this here, but for those of us in the Black community, I call skin bleaching a worldwide epidemic. Okay. The reason why I call skin bleaching a worldwide epidemic is because it has really caused a lot of problem and skin damage on our beautiful melanin skin, our beautiful black skin. Okay, our melanin is very, very beautiful. I'm not saying other cultures don't have good skin, don't get me wrong, but I love our melanin, and I don't like it when you use something to damage this beauty. Okay, I don't like it. So, buying some of all these products, before you buy them, I know most of them, they hide the most of those skincare companies, they hide the products, they hide the ingredients that they are putting in. They hide it. Okay, thank you so much, lovely Cherokee. Thank you. So they hide it. You go and buy it, you don't know. And some of them, I tell you, some of these skincare companies that are making all these products, they are not using it. They are not using the product that this these bleaching products. They don't use it because they know it's toxic. They know it's bad for you. That's why they don't use it. So they are using you more like make. They don't actually care about us, people that are using. They don't care. All they want to do is make their money. Now, I'm going to take you through to, for people that are using skin bleaching creams. I see some of them come to my social media page. They say a lot of nasty things, which is okay. I don't mind. I'm not saying you should come and insult me. Yeah, but most of them, I say this, they say all these things out of ignorance because they don't actually know. They don't know. You see. So most times when you talk, it's like an addiction. You're trying to ask someone to, leave what it is that they are used to. They will probably kick against it for a while. But when you create awareness, and this is what this video is about, you tell people, okay, you shouldn't really use this, and this is why you shouldn't use it. And that's the reason why I'm going to talk about the health implications associated with skin bleaching, which is more of a scary part. Okay, so skin bleaching is dangerous and is very life threatening because some of the ingredients in these products, they are not nice. We're talking about steroids here. Yeah, some of them have steroids. We're talking about hydroquinone and a very high percentage and a very high level. Mercury. A lot of countries in Europe has banned mercury, and the reason is because mercury, someone can actually die from mercury poisoning, and there is a lot of health implications associated with mercury. Okay, most people, most of these skin care products, they have bleach. You see, when you use bleach, what happens? If you use bleach on your clothes, I'm not saying it's the bleach they use on your clothes, but this bleach is a cosmetic one, and it's definitely meant to change your skin color. Okay. What I don't like about skin bleaching is this is the scary part. When you use some of all these products, these skin bleaching products that I've mentioned, and these the ones that has these ingredients that I've mentioned, you know, they strip your the top layer of your skin. So they more like shades them off, strips them off, and your skin is very open, wide open with no protection. So your skin then is unprotected and prone to infection. Okay, and this is why you get all the side effects. This is why you get the kidney failure is from mercury poisoning. Kidney, liver damage is from mercury poisoning. It's from the steroids in this cream. And hydroquinone, one of the ingredients in skin care products that I don't like. I don't like hydroquinone. I did a video about it, and people were saying that, why do I hate it? I said it's not because I hate it. It's just that I just don't think. I think there's a safer way to lighten dark spots than using hydroquinone, because hydroquinone says have so many negative effects on it. So whatever it is that has so many negative effects, is it really worth using it? And my answer is no. Okay, so you have like skin cancer, from this hydroquinone, because you've removed the top layer of your skin. So your skin is totally unprotected, and you're going out in the sun. And sun, my dear melanin people, my dear black people, sun is the main cause of skin damage and premature aging, because especially for those of you that are bleaching and you're not using any sunscreen, and you have the hydroquinone there and the sun, which are two enemies, and they are colliding against each other. And because your skin is not protected, what happens? You get the burn. Okay, you get the burn, and your skin becomes very sensitive. Whatever you put, it gets irritated. Okay, because of long time skin bleaching. Not only are you having thinning of skin, premature aging, severe stretch marks, there are internal organ damage associated with using products that contains mercury. And one of them is a neurological problem. Sometimes if you see, I've seen a lot of them, those ones that are like chronic skin bleachers, and they have the shakes, they shake, your hands shakes all the time. And most of them don't know. Most of them that comes to me, they don't actually know that it's from bleaching their skin for a very long time, for so many years. Some of them even say, somebody poisoned me. I said, no, the person that poisoned you is they sometimes they think it's someone that gave them poison, or someone want to kill them. Yeah, some of them say that, they match poison and all that. I'm like, no, you didn't match any poison. The poison that you matched is the skin bleaching cream that you're using. And some of them, they're really shocked. They never knew that the shakes that they're getting is because of the bleaching cream that they're using, because the mercury is dangerous. It's very bad. And You notice that when you bleach your skin gets really dry. And the reason is because you, like I said, you're stripping your skin of natural oils. Your skin is not getting any oil. Okay. So when you do that, um, you get the dryness. Okay. Now, our melanin, our skin, our black skin, doesn't wrinkle. It sags. Okay, it sags, and this is why I love our skin. If you look after it, if you tell someone your age, they won't believe you. They won't believe you because as you're even getting older, you're looking more beautiful. Okay, because of the melanin. Okay, now one thing I want to say is, when is the time? Let's say you're bleaching your skin and you decided that, okay, I want to stop. Okay, you decided I want to stop, and I'm clapping for you. It's wonderful, it's good news, but it's not a very easy journey. Okay, it's not an easy journey to to pass through, because especially if you're someone that, let's say you started bleaching very very young, and everybody you've known to have light skin, and people have never seen you dark, and then all of a sudden you started getting dark, and people are like, oh, what is going on here with your skin? Yeah. So when you stop bleaching your skin, you may get really really dark. When I say dark, yes, you can get really really dark, and the dark skin that you have, the dark color that you have, may not be very natural. It might not be like the good natural skin tone that you see for a dark person, a dark skinned person that is not bleaching. It will get very unnaturally dark. The reason is because, remember, for so many years, of so many months, you've stripped your skin of the skin tissue is gone, is damaged. So, uh, yeah, don't forget to hit the like button. You people like this video. Thank you so much, lovely Cherokee. Like this video and click the like button, and please share this video. Share it to so many, as many people as you can remember. Share. It's good to share. People need to hear this. They need to, so anybody that will benefit from it, share. Okay. So yeah, so their skin is gonna get very dark and unnaturally dark, and you may want to give up. Advice to you, I'm begging, don't give up. Your skin tissue is healing. Because remember, these years and months you've damaged your skin tissue. So you need your skin tissue to heal properly. Okay. And while your skin tissue is healing, you will get darker. But after some time, you will your natural skin tone then will come out, and then you start enjoying your skin again. But there are other things that you can do to assist, to help, to speed up the renewal process, to speed up the healing of your skin tissue. um, you can try and eat a lot of vegetables. You try and drink plenty of water. You need to hydrate your skin. Try and eat healthy. You skincare, very 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 important to have a regular skincare routine, and you try and use products that are meant to hydrate your skin. Hydrate, moisturize, and cleanse. Okay. um if you have, let's say you've developed hyperpigmentation from months or years of bleaching your skin, you can either seek a professional help, or you can look for alternatives of the actives. I think I did a video and I talked about skincare ingredients. So you can watch that video. I talked about actives, and every active ingredient have different functions that they in our body. Please like this video, click the like button and like it. Okay, so you can maybe like try as much as you can to protect your skin from the sun, because remember, your skin is healing, so you need to protect it from the sun. Okay, you need to protect it as much as you can from the sun, and wear a lot of sunscreen. Sunscreen is very, very important when your skin is healing. Whether your skin is healing or not, you still need the sunscreen. You still need it. Okay, so now, one other thing is my from my experience, from my 13 years of experience. Thank you so much, Cindy. From my 13 years of experience, I can honestly tell you that treating hyperpigmentation is not a 1 week or 1 day or 3 days job. There's no miracle when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation. No miracle whatsoever. You have to be patient. You have to make sure that you use the right products for your skin, the right ingredients to treat them. But they will go, but you will need time. You will need time for that to happen. And you will need patience. And consistency is very important when it comes to skincare, when it comes to getting the desired result that you want for your skin. Consistency, not when you cleanse today, tomorrow you don't cleanse, and then you use an exfoliant today and then you don't use another exfoliant until 1 month time. No, it's not going to work like that. Okay, so you get advice from a professional. If it's something that you cannot afford a professional, there are so many pages on social media now that you can go to, and slide through the DM and just ask questions. You can come to my Instagram page and send me a private message and you know tell me what the problem is. If it's something I can help you, I can help you. If it's something that you need your skin analyzed and a professional, wherever you are, you live, will help. Okay. Now, I want to talk about the reason why a lot of people bleach their skin. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that here. Remember, I said initially that before you start bleaching your skin, there has to be a reason why you started bleaching your skin. Nobody wakes up today and just says to themselves, "No, I'm going to start bleaching my skin today." There has to be a reason why you started bleaching your skin. So you need to go back to, why did I start bleaching my skin? Okay. Why did I start bleaching my skin? And sort out that reason. If it's internally or psychologically or emotionally, you need to sort out that reason. Okay. And then once you take care of that reason, then you will be able to, it will now help you to work on the process of healing your skin. Okay, it will now help you to work on the process of getting back your natural skin color, the beautiful, beautiful melanin. Now, I want to talk a little bit about our melanin, our dark skin tone. Okay, and why it's very, very important that you appreciate your dark skin tone. Okay, I know a lot of you say to me, "Oh, is it because you're fair? That's why you don't know, you haven't been bullied, or you haven't been talked to, or you haven't had an experience of what we have, those of us that are dark skin, that are bleaching our skin. Remember, in as much as I'm fair skin, I still have the melanin. My melanin is still the same as yours. Is my melanin is still different than the white person's melanin. Okay, so if I bleach my skin now, I will still have the same issues that that skin person will have. Because I'm fair doesn't mean I will not go through all those side effects that I've mentioned in this video before. I will still have the same problem. I will still have the same cancer and skin cancer and kidney failure and the rest of it. I have the same melanin as a dark skin person. Okay. Another thing is, the most important thing that I want to talk about is we have our dark skin is actually made for a reason. There's a reason why you are dark skinned. Okay? There is a reason why you have the melanin. For those of, especially for those of us that lives in the African community and those of us that lives in Africa, you need the melanin. You need the melanin to protect you from sun damage. Oh my goodness. You need it. Because if you stop your body from producing this melanin to protect your skin from the sun, you're going to get burned. Your skin will get burned and your skin will have so much problem. You are not that skin because history has made us believe that you have to be fair skin to be beautiful, you have to be fair skin to be accepted, you have to be fair skin to in order to be how do I put it, more like what global white supremacy had made you understand that you can only be white or fair skin for you to know that you're beautiful, or you can only be white or fair skin for you to know that uh, society will accept you as a person. And it has made us, we from the African community, think that being dark skin is classified as inferior or ugly, and fair skin is identified as beautiful, virtuous, passive. That's not the case. Our melanin is for a reason. It's not because it's inferior. You're not dark skin because you're inferior. Okay? And the reason why I say this is because I noticed that a lot of people that bleach their skin, they bleach their skin because they think when they are fair, then society will accept them. Acceptance is here. Acceptance is here. You need to accept yourself, accept who you are, and you need to accept your skin color. That is there for a reason. I don't want to talk about Christianity right now, but you think God made you that because God made a mistake? God doesn't make God doesn't make mistake. Okay, because I see most people come to me, not and as a skin, as a beauty, as a professional, I expect them to say, I bleach my skin because I want to get rid of that hyperpigmentation, or I bleach my skin because I want to get rid of dark spots. But that's not the case. Some even talk about they bleach their skin because guys, they want guys to talk to them. Guys in Africa don't like uh exactly, lovely Cherokee. Learn to love yourself. If you're bleaching your skin because of a guy, because you want the guys to accept you, you know, that's not really, there's nothing good about skin bleaching. Let me put it that way. There's nothing good about skin bleaching. Nothing good about skin. Nothing good comes, from skin bleaching. Nothing. It's not worth it. Because I've studied a lot about skin. I've studied a lot about skin. And I can tell you that, okay, I am, even me as a fair skin person, I sometimes when I see all those dark skin that are glowing, I'm like, ooh, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. Our melanin is beautiful. And it's there for a reason. Okay? Our melanin, our dark skin is there for a reason. To protect your skin from the sun, especially my Nigerian people, because Nigeria has the highest percentage of women bleaching their skin. 77% of women in Nigeria bleach their skin. How scary is that? You know, how scary is that? And a lot of them don't know that those products they are using actually is bad for their skin. A lot of them don't know that. A lot of them don't know that those products they are using is toxic. Okay, so it is toxic, and it's not the long term damage is not is it's scary. I'll put it that way. It's scary. The you know the percentage is scary. I did remember one time I was in Nigeria. I think about 6 or 7 years ago, and I went to this cosmetic shop to get my cream because I forgot my moisturizer here, and I told the supposedly he's the guy that prescribes cream for people. I'm like, yeah, he knows what he's doing. I said, I just need a moisturizer. I don't want anything because when I went there, a lot of their products, it took me time. I was going through them like, no, I need this. I need this guy. I said, I need something that will not change my skin color, will just keep my skin and just something that will moisturize my skin. Here we go. He gave me this, nice, product from QI. I said, oh, that's good. QI. I went home and I started using it. A few days after, I started noticing white spots on my skin. And when you use products that have toxic ingredients, it gives you those white spots. And then my legs, my toenails started getting like light. I'm like, what is going on here? So I went back and with the tube cream with my friend, and we got there, and I said, I looked for him, he wasn't there. So I had to go to the manager. I said, you guys sold me a bleaching cream. I told you that I don't want anything to bleach my skin. And surprisingly, a lot of women there were looking at me, wondering, who is this crazy person? Because some of them that comes there, they bleach their skin. So because that, I had to take my time to actually now find out that a lot of their products are bleaching creams. And they were looking at me wondering, what is wrong with this crazy woman? So there has to be awareness for people that are bleaching their skin. There has to be awareness for them to understand that most of these products that are in the market, that skincare companies are using them as a pawn. They don't even know, most of those skincare companies, they don't even use the thing they are producing. They don't use it because they know that it's toxic, so they don't use it. They don't use it at all. And some of all these side effects that people get from yeah, they'll say, oh, is this crazy yeah, the way they were looking at me, lovely joke. Like, who is this crazy woman here talking about I don't want to bleach my skin? Is she crazy? Because the way they looked at it, my friend that even went with me told me, yeah, please babe, let's go, bring this now, we'll use it. I'm like, no, you're not using this is toxic. You're not using this cream. I left the cream there, and I didn't get my refund back, and I left. Okay. So, my advice is some of the, how do I put it now? Some of us that live in the African region that goes through all those very high, the UV rays there is really, really high, gets really, really hot. It's not good for you to be stripping your skin of the top layer of your skin. It's not good for you to be damaging your skin tissue because your skin needs the sun. Sorry, your skin needs the melanin to protect it from sun damage. Okay. And so it's not something that you really want to do because the long-term damage is most of them are irreparable. You cannot. There's, I mean, the the benefit of not bleaching your skin outweighs the, how do I put it? It's just not worth it. Let me put it in a simple English. It's just not worth it. And the more I blame some of all this you know, skin bleaching, I blame it more on, media advert as well. A lot of them will put a face of a fair person and a black person together. And remember what happened to Fair and Lovely, which is a product that I've been asked to review. Actually, I will do that soon enough. So they will put a picture of a dark person in front of a picture of a fair person, and they want you to understand that a fair person looks more beautiful than the dark skinned person. Media. That's the what media is trying to make you understand. Okay. Don't listen to them. Your dark skin is there for a reason. Your melanin is there for a reason. It's not because you're ugly. It's not because you are inferior. I'm talking about dark skinned people now. Your dark skin tone. It's not because you're inferior or ugly. Okay. Like I mentioned earlier in my video, I'm not judging anyone because most people that bleach their skin doesn't know that the products they're using they're toxic. Most people don't know that. So that's why I'm trying to create this awareness. I'm doing this video. I'm more like I have to talk about skin bleaching because it's a worldwide epidemic. It is an epidemic in our Black community. It is an epidemic that needs to be talked about. It's spreading. It's been there for so many years. People seem to overlook it. Then social media now is more like bringing a lot of awareness, telling people, talking about it, and people that have bleached their skin before, talking about it, if you're someone that have bleached your skin before and you want, you've stopped bleaching and you want to talk about it, you can come, send me a message on my Instagram or Facebook, and you come on my, live streaming, and we talk about it. And you tell people your story, okay? Because we need to create a lot of awareness in our Black community. People need to appreciate this beautiful dark skin that we have. People need to appreciate it. Embrace your skin tone. Embrace it. Black is beautiful. Embrace it. And if you want to ask me any questions now before I before I go. Lovely Cherokee, I still use the moisturizing simple you did a live stream on. Yes, that I like that product. The reason is because it's so free. So if you're someone that is suffering from dry skin, that cleanser is beautiful. I still have it here. It's good. So well done, lovely Cherokee. So Cindy Okoro says, what ingredients do you recommend for dark spots? Okay. So what ingredient do I recommend for dark spots? Now, if you're someone that has dark spots, okay, um, and you want to lighten it and you want to reduce, more like the appearance, and you like there are process that you have to take. The first thing is you can get yourself. Okay, I'm gonna talk about cleanser, and then I don't really do recommendation on my live stream, but I will do it now for you, Cindy, because you're very very good follower of mine. So you have to go from cleanser to moisturizer to serum, and then to your toner. So talking about dark spots now, I will probably tell you in terms of cleanser, you should look for cleansers that have actives that would lighten your dark spot. So vitamin C cleanser is good. But one of my favorite cleansers for lightening dark spot, with this active, more like an AHA, salicylic acid. AHAs are very, very good for lightening dark spots. Salicylic acid cleanser is beautiful. Vitamin C is good for someone that you think, maybe your skin is very dark, maybe it's from sunburn, or maybe it's from using, because I've seen a lot of people that to come to me because they've used fake cream and then it resulted them to having, very dark skin. Okay. And it's not the natural dark skin. So you have to not have your natural dark skin. So for cleansers, the salicylic acid is good. It's a very, very good cleanser for toning your dark spot, to reducing the dark spot and getting rid of it. Vitamin C is beautiful as well, especially for those of us in the black community. Okay. Now, talking about serum. Okay. Serum is very, very good in terms of, okay, let me talk about exfoliant first before I go into serum. For someone that have dark spots, probably your skin is oily and you're prone to breaking out. Okay. I wouldn't advise you to be using scrub because I preached against scrub for black skin. I preach against scrub for people of skin of color because our skin is very prone to hyperpigmentation. So you try as much as you can to avoid scrubbing your skin. Okay. So you go for the likes of mandelic acid is good, and glycolic acid is a good one. But the thing about glycolic acid is it's not for every skin. It's not for every skin type. Okay, it'll be good for oily skin, but it's a very strong acid. So even whenever you're using it, make sure you use a low percentage, especially for skin of color. Don't go more than 5 to 10%. Okay, but it's very good for lightening dark spot. It's a good exfoliant. So I'll probably use it twice a week. And whenever you're using it, Cindy, use it at night and protect your skin from the sun. Now, go to serum. I will still go back to my vitamin C. Vitamin C serum is absolutely fantastic for lightening dark spots. But my favorite one is niacinamide. Niacinamide is a good active. You mix it. Do you know you can mix your actives together? You can mix hyaluronic acid with niacinamide. Can mix vitamin C with your hyaluronic acid because you need hydration. Hyaluronic acid is very good for hydrating. Okay, so that's your serum. I did a video on how to layer your skincare product. Now with your moisturizer, try and get moisturizers that says brightening. Okay, moisturizers that are hydrating. Okay, and moisturizers that have good active. It's all about the ingredients. It's all about knowing your ingredients and knowing what works for your skin type. And when you're putting on moisturizers, especially if you have dark spot, because if you have dark spot and you don't wear sunscreen, you will make the spot dark because of our melanin. Our skin is producing a lot of melanin for that skin tone. Okay, protect your skin from the sun. If you don't like those chemical sunscreens, which I'm not a fan of, you can get moisturizers with SPF in it. There's a lot of them out there. All right, and regular skincare routine. Regular skincare routine, I preach it all the time. You cannot have glowing skin without having a regular skincare routine. The CTM, the cleansing and moisturizer. Okay, with your toners should be actives as well. Actives. Active ingredients. They've proven to work. So why not use them for your skin? So Cindy, I hope I've answered your question. Since you're always against bleaching, you should make videos that will help people repair their skin from bleaching because that's what people need right now. Okay. Yes. And some of them are these videos that I'm making. Some of them are these videos that I'm making. Moringani Rachel, I heard what you said. I did a video one time. A lot of the videos that I've actually done, Rachel, is about repairing your skin. Okay, it doesn't have to be from bleaching. If you use some of all my videos where I talk about ingredients, where I talk about how to look after your skin, where I talk about some of the products I'm giving the review on, and where I talk about how to achieve glowing skin, all those videos are videos that will help you. So I don't know if you've watched any of my videos. All those videos are videos that will help you. I did a lot of products. I reviewed hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. I talked about niacinamide. I talked about retinol. I talk about active ingredients and what will repair your skin damage from skin bleaching is to have a regular skincare routine. And remember, glowing skin too comes from the inside, what you eat. So eat a lot of vegetables. I did a video on that as well. So go through my channel. I'm sure you see a lot of video. Okay. Skincare routine, regular skincare routine. Know your skin type and get products that will suit that skin type. I say it all the time. So if you go through my videos, you will see where I talk a lot about it. And I'm not, I didn't, oh God, skin bleaching is a choice, really. Okay, it's a choice that you make. I'm only here to give a professional advice and to say it's not good, but it's left for you to decide what you want. All right, now, uh, but it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Look after your skin. Rachel, check my videos. Okay, check my videos. You'll see the videos that I've made. And if you want to send me a message, you can send me a message on Instagram of what you want. Rachel said, "Thank you so much, Chikelly Beauty. You really helped a soul like me." Oh, my pleasure. My pleasure. Elizabeth Lesoso, how are you doing? Thanks for joining. Lovely Cherokee. Yeah, so now when I if like if you want to look after your skin when you've stopped bleaching and you want to repair your skin, okay, you have to, is a process that has to be taken. You have to go through a process. I keep mentioning it. You have to first of all get your skin checked, especially your skin tissue needs to be repaired. So you need those active ingredients that will help to speed up the cell, the cell renewal process. Once the cell renewal process has, speed up, then your skin will begin to heal very well. As long as you stop using those creams, that were bleaching your skin, because you need to stop using it first before you now talk about how to repair your skin tissue. And I mentioned earlier that it's a gradual process. It doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight. And because you've talked about it, Rachel, I may do a specific video based on that. Since all the videos I have on my channel, maybe because I didn't put skin bleaching there. Okay, I'll do a specific video based on that, how to repair a damaged skin from bleach. But I have a video though. I think I did a video when I started my YouTube channel newly. I did a video on how to repair damaged skin caused by bleaching. Okay. Now, does anybody have any question? Rita Metu, very informative, Chika. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that now. I think, does anybody have any more question? Anything you want me to talk about? Rita Metu, my skin looks so good now since I started following up your channel, your page. Thank you so much, Rita. Thank you. I appreciate that. If no more question is coming, if you're just joining and you've missed everything, you've not missed anything, you can still go back and watch it. Give this live a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. But if you're just joining, I was talking about skin bleaching. I was talking about how did it come about, and I think I blame it on you know slavery and global white supremacy and colonization and media, and then the main corporates, which are skincare companies that are making all these products. Okay, so and then I talked about side effects of skin bleaching, and then I talked about what you can do, you know, if you stop bleaching your skin. And I talked about before you started bleaching your skin, what actually pushed you, what made you to start, why did you start bleaching your skin? You think it's a psychological problem that can be sorted out. And I talked about what why we need the melanin, why you need that, why your skin is dark for a reason, why you have to leave your skin alone, leave our beautiful black skin alone, uh, why you need the melanin and the consequences of stripping off that skin, layers of skin off. Okay, and if it's something that you want to stop bleaching your skin, I talked about the fact that if you've stopped bleaching your skin or you want to stop, I talked about the fact that it's not a it's a gradual process, and it's not a very easy thing, because your skin may get very dark, really, really dark and unnatural looking. But you should hang in there, because your skin tissue is healing. Okay, give your skin tissue time to heal. And you can only do that to help your skin tissue to heal by having a good skincare routine and by eating right. Eat vegetables. Vegetables are very, very good. Green vegetables, fruits, vegetables, vitamin C. Those products, those foods, they are very, very good to help speed up the healing process. So when you're treating your skin with a skincare routine on the outside, then you eat good food on the inside to help your skin tissue to heal. And within few months, your skin will come back to normal. And if your skin has been damaged from skin bleaching, you seek a professional help. I noticed that some people, when they are trying to lighten their, any pigment they had from skin bleaching, they'll go and buy lightening product again. No, it doesn't work like that. Let your skin tissue heal first, and then after that, when your natural skin color comes out, then you'll be able to know what to do and where to target, and then what product to use. Don't go using another lightening product to lighten the pigment, because it doesn't work like that. It will just get more and more worse. Okay. Somebody suggested that I do a video to help people that have stopped bleaching how to repair their skin. I've just said it now. But if you want me to mention specific products to help you repair those skin tissues, I promise I will do a video in a couple of weeks' time, or maybe sooner, never know. And I will mention specific things that you have to do, like mention products, or I may even go natural, because a lot of those natural things you see in your kitchen may help you with healing. Okay. Now, Elizabeth Lesusu say, thank you so much for the info, Chikelly Beauty. Thank you, Elizabeth. I appreciate you. I have to go now, and I'll leave you to love you. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this streaming, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. I should be doing this streaming more often though, because I'm getting so many questions, so many requests to do it. So I think it's something. Rita Metu, thank you so much. Thank you, Rita. Thanks for joining now. I appreciate you. Okay. Thanks, everyone. Lovely Cherokee, are you still here? Thank you, lovely Cherokee. Thank you, Rachel. Thank you, who else? Cindy. Thank you, who else? Scarlett and Cole for joining, and I'll see you soon. Okay, take care. Mwah.